Hi, good morning. Let's find a market opportunity today. Hope all of us are very safe anywhere you are. Let's yes. We have already sent a signal on the US 500 on a 1 hour chart. You can see that it's on sell zone. Sell zone US 500 is good for sale at this current price now. It's a sell zone at this time. Someone can make a very good profit from selling a US 500. It's currently at sell zone. At this point, and US Canada too is also heading to sell zone. US Canada is heading to sell zone. Is currently at 1.4015. Let's check. Gold is pushing towards the final, the previous resistance level here. So let's quickly do some analysis, technical analysis together, and find some trading opportunity. In case you want to ask any question, you can just raise your hand. I will unmute you, then I can answer your question. So let's start from US Canada today. Let me have to delete some of the old analysis here. This is US Canada. You can see from here that we are expecting let me put it on 4 hours so that one of us can see very clear. This 4 hours chart US Canada. So it's currently at US Canada. So it's currently at a support zone. It's a support zone, as you can see here. So this is the current price, and here is a support zone for US Canada. This point is a support zone. It's a support zone for US Canada. So so it is a good opportunity to buy at this point, or you buy at this point. So it's a good opportunity for buyers to buy US Canada at this point. It's at buying zone. Buying zone. Here is buying zone. Yes, buying zone. Then when you place a buy, you could see that the last resistance level was here. This is last resistance level, and followed with this point. So this point will be known as resistance. You see this point now will be known as resistance level. So for US Canada now, here will be a sell zone. Sorry, here will be a sell zone, selling zone. Let me make it a little bit bold. Here will be a selling zone for US Canada, a selling zone, while here will be a buying zone for US Canada. In the middle here will be a pivot middle that is of no man's land. So if you want to sell US Canada, you sell at 1.43030, and buying is either you buy at 1.40165 or you buy at 1.39810. Then on US 500, why I call here is currently now at US 500 is currently now at buying zone. you could see from here, US Canada, US 500 is at buying zone. Let's check 4 hours chart. 4 hour chart will tell you, tell us more here. It has broken the first resistance here. Here was a resistance level here. Here was a resistance level before. Let me get you. Here was resistance level, resistance or resistance level. Let's change the color to yellow. So here was resistance level, and it has broken the resistance on 4 hours. Let's check what it is, what it looked in 1 hour. 1 hour chart is overbought level on 1 hour chart. So here is resistance level. So I suggest here to be second resistance level. I suggest here to be second resistance level here. To be second resistance level. Here will be second resistance level. Now, so it's good to sell US Canada. Sorry, it's good to sell US 500 at this point. This point is a good price to sell US Canada, US 500 at this point. So, so this point in US Canada, US 500 is a selling zone. Anyone who may want to sell this instrument can sell. Here is selling zone. Selling zone. Here is selling zone. Let me change the color. Let me change the color to white. So here's this area is a selling zone, and there's potentiality of US 500 dropping at this point. It's a selling zone. Here is the first resistance. As expect here to be second resistance. So it has entered within the selling zone, and let's check oil. Let's check oil. So oil is currently on bullish. Here is still remain buying zone for oil. Oil traders are still on a buying zone. Currently now, no signal to sell oil. Currently, no signal to sell oil. Wait.
When did it come? When did it come?
No signal to sell oil now. Here is a buying zone for oil. As you can see, I'm currently buying oil too. I have a buying position in oil. Let's check WTI. WTI, yes, WTI on 4 hours, it has formed resistance here. On 4 hours, 4 hours has formed resistance here. This point is a resistance level on 4 hours in oil. Let me get this close. This point now, it has formed a resistance level on 4 hours. So for a short-term trade, here will be a selling zone on 4 hours. Within this point will be a selling zone on 4 hours. 4 hours on WTI. Here will be a selling zone. Selling zone for WTI in 4 hours. This point will be a selling zone. This point will be a selling zone for WTI in 4 hours. Let's check this is a USJPY. USJPY USJPY will have this point here. This point will be it has formed mini support level, what I call mini support level here. It has formed a support zone here. Here is as formed a support zone. So it's good for a short-term trade to have a buying order within this point, and probably a selling order within this point. That would be about 50 pips also. That would be about 50 pips from here. Yes, it will be about, okay, it will be about 114, okay, 25 pips. So yeah, but on a long-time trade, USJPY for a long-time trade, for daily candlesticks, okay, the daily candlestick to here to remain a support zone. On daily candlestick, here remain a support zone. Here is forming a resistance zone. This point now is forming a little resistance zone here. Here is forming resistance zone. Here is forming a resistance zone, and here will form it's possible to be the highest resistance at this point. So people who may want to trade on USJPY, I advise having a buying order here, then taking out profit at this point. Then or you have a buy order within this point. If you break this resistance zone, it has the potentiality of getting to this final resistance zone. Then selling order will be from here, or within this point, within 1.11007 on USJPY. Then I think we have an opportunity now. We have opportunity on US Canada. It's good to buy US Canada. It's good to sell US 500. It's good to buy oil, and here this is support zone is more of a on a buying zone too, because suppose it's a buying zone, and on WTI crude it has this selling zone. If you want to sell oil for a short movement, I suggest you sell within this price, but on a buying trend, on a buying signal, I think a buying is more supported. Buying is more supported on a long-term movement. Yes, for a long-term movement, buying is more supported. Here you can get a buying zone here for those of us who may want to buy oil for a long-time price. Then so I'm open for questions. If you want to ask me any question, I can answer you now. I can answer any question now.
Yeah, you talked about the. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, please. You talked about the US Canada is for a short time buy, right? For 1 hour.
Yes. Yes. It's for a daily trade. That's my analysis. This US Canada, both on 4 hours is on buying zone. On 4 hours,
buying zone.
Yes, it's on buying zone, because here is known as resistance. So if you break this resistance, it means maybe it's expected to be at 1.38 or 1.37. So currently it's on buying zone, both on 1 hour analysis, 1 hour trade analysis, You can also see is getting to oversold position. So here it still remain a buying zone on US Canada. Here still remain a buying zone. Wait, let me get something clear. Any other question?
What about US 500?
Yes, US 500 is currently on selling zone. If you check on 1 hour chart, you will see that
zone.
Yes, on selling zone, because it has formed a resistance. So if I'm to trade US 500, I won't buy at this price. I would rather sell. You can see the price here.
You sell.
Yes, it's very high. So it has gotten to a resistance level. If you check on 4 hours, you could see that it has gotten to this point. So it has potentiality of dropping. So if I place a sell at this price, if I place a sell at this price at maybe 2710, and then I will put away a stop loss. Then I will put my stop loss at within this point. This point will be my stop loss. This area will be my stop loss. This area will be my stop loss. And maybe possibly 28 will be my stop loss area. Yes. So, any other question here? Any question?
So this what you analyze for us now. We can place the trade on it, sir.
Yes. If you have enough fund, you can sell US 500, buy US Canada. Oil is still on buying zone. Yes, so oil is still on buy. As you can see, here is a base.
Is it WTI?
This is Brent crude. It's still at a very good price to buy. WTI is on a long-time trade. It is still good to buy at this current price. The current price is $26 per barrel. Then you could see it here. But on short trading, based on technical chart here, it has formed a resistance here. Oil has formed a resistance here. So those of us who want to sell for a short time can sell WTI at this price. Then you probably put your stop loss at maybe $30 or $29 per barrel stop loss. Let's check gold. Gold is doing well. Let's check gold on 1 hour. Okay, yes, gold is doing well. It has broken this zone. Let's check. I think gold will be bearish today, based on what I'm seeing here. Yes, gold is good today for sellers. Sellers is possible gonna make profit. Here is gold. Gold is good today. Here is a selling zone for gold. So if you sell gold here, you expect to take profit between 1.608. Any other question?
Hello.
I can hear you, sir. Answer me. I'll answer you.
All right, please. What do you think will be the outcome of the OPEC Plus meeting on Thursday?
I wouldn't know much, but based on the situation on ground, that the meeting is to push oil price up. Yes, that would be the essence of that meeting, to avoid more crisis. So the outcome is possible to be positive, and which may push oil price up to at least up to $35 or $40 per barrel. Because of we already know the situation on ground that the oil price is very low. So that OPEC is to come and resolve their differences, the oil war to end between Russia and Saudi Arabia and other OPEC community. So the outcome is possible. The outcome is possible to be bullish for oil. So, and if that one happen, oil price is expected to hit 40 or 47, because this gap in oil price must be closed. For those of us who has big fund we are trading, it's opportunity to make a good profit. If perhaps you have had losses before, it's opportunity to have a very good, a very good coverage from your trade. Like I'm still buying oil in here. I have a buying position in oil. Look at the oil. Okay, let me make it bold for all of us. I have a, I'm still buying oil. I have a WTI buy at 3 points. That's I bought at $22, which is gaining this amount. Then I still have I still have another buy position on Brent, which is 1 point, and it is also gaining about this amount, that $430. Then I still have another. Okay, I have a buy in Euro USD. So these are my trade. I have positions in oil. Any other questions so far? Any question? Okay. I think that would be the end of the analysis now. In case you have more questions, you can feel free to ask us in our forum, or you can call us personally and ask. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir. Please, before you go, please, hello, sir. Please, before you go, can you briefly just those ones you analyze now, the USD Canada, the US? Can you please drop it on the platform, on the Telegram platform?
Okay, yes. On the Telegram platform, I promise I will take my time and send the signals.
All right, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.